Welcome to On the Trail. I'm your host, Steven Anderson, and this week we're hanging out in Indianapolis, Indiana for the 2011 Dealer Expo.
First off, we'll do a little bit of housekeeping. I want to make sure that everyone has a map. This is kind of your Bible to move around the floor. And when you first look at it, you're like, holy smokes, that's a lot of stuff going on there. And there is a lot of stuff going on here. There's going to be a few minutes of presentation about the product, and then there's a photo opportunity to take pictures of the new stuff, and then we're going to move on to the next thing. The show opens up at 10 o'clock. At that point, there's going to be thousands of dealers just pouring in. This is a highlight for me, is to get to see all the new stuff.
Hi, I'm Rick Ott from Extreme Metal Products out of Cleveland, Ohio. One of the newer things we have here is our snowplow for utility vehicles. We also have a brand new winch mount front bumper. Please visit our website at extrememetalproducts.com. Thank you.
Hello, my name's Chris Thompson. I'm with Stalker Starters located in Logan, West Virginia. We originally started out in the automotive and industrial side for starters. We later started doing about 4 or 5 years ago starters for ATVs and motorcycles. If you'd like more information about our company, visit our website at www.stalkers.com.
Hi, I'm Bart Lauer with Tamarack Powersports Accessories. And for Tamarack this year, we're introducing our new custom quad boxes. Our customers can go ahead and pick from dozens of different patterns. For more information, you can visit us at tamarackatv.com.
Hello, I'm Sarah Powell with Burning Rock Outdoor Adventure Park in Sophia, West Virginia, just outside of Beckley. We've got over 8,000 acres and 100 miles of trails, opening 25 new miles this spring. We've got the longest dual racing zip line in the eastern United States. You can visit our website at www.burningrockwv.com.
Thanks for stopping by. I'm here to show you the Contour GPS. This is the newest camera in Contour's line. What you have is a 4-ounce high-definition wearable hands-free video camera. It shoots in 4 native resolutions, 1080p, 720p, 960p, SVGA. It'll also shoot 5 megapixel stills. Take a quick look inside. You see that it's got a USB out. It's got 2 settings for presets. It's got a micro SD card in there. It'll accept up to a 32 gig card. It ships with a 2 gigabyte card. And it's got a little piece of hardware right in there called the ConnectView chip. And that lets the Bluetooth device within the camera talk to your iOS operating system device. As you pan with the video camera, you can see that the phone is acting as a live viewfinder. One of the 2 really interesting pieces of technology with the camera. This camera also tracks GPS that syncs with your video stream, uploading that 4 times per second. You see it when you upload to Contour's website. You have your high-definition video in a side-by-side live display with GPS that tracks speed, elevation, and location. You can control every one of your camera settings through your phone. You can mount the camera to your helmet and rotate it so that you see exactly what your camera sees and you get your camera perspective and angle exactly right. And then if your perfectly bluebird day in the morning turns to flat light in the afternoon, you can adjust your camera settings in the field so you never miss a shot and you've always got everything perfectly dialed. And that is the Contour GPS, available at REI, a bunch of other retailers worldwide. You can find more information on Contour.com.
Hi, I'm Tom McElhaney with LS2 Helmets, and this is Chun Lu. LS2 is a factory-owned brand. We're now sold in 60 countries. We've been the fastest growing brand worldwide for the last 2 years. We've got something for your cruiser rider. This is fiberglass, completely removable liner, has the good fit which everybody's looking for. This is our FF385, your internal sun visor. Also has air pump, one of the lightest helmets on the market, but yet it's a rigid fiberglass shell. Modular helmets are typically heavier. This one is very lightweight. It's lighter than most just regular full-face helmets from most other helmet companies. For more information about our company, please visit our website, which is ls2 ls2helmets.us.
What's up, everybody? I'm Kerry Hart. I'm here with Chad Reed, my Bel-Ray teammate, and we're at the 2011 Indy Dealer Trade Show. Holding it down, having a good time, signing posters.
Stick around, folks. We'll be right back with more from On the Trail.
Almost heaven, West Virginia.
The world-famous Hatfield-McCoy Trail System in southern West Virginia. Come for the trails, stay for the adventure. Find the perfect trail and everything else you need at trailsheaven.com.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
West Virginia, wild and wonderful.
How do you reach the best hunting, the best fishing, and the best views? On a Yamaha Grizzly, the only ATVs with true four-wheel drive, downhill engine braking, and power steering. The Yamaha Grizzly 550 and Grizzly 700 FI EPS. And introducing the new Grizzly 450, now with electric power steering. Built to get you there and back, no matter where there is.
Logan Yamaha Sales, Route 44 South, Logan, West Virginia.
West Virginia ATV Tours is Southern West Virginia's premier ATV company. If you haven't experienced off-road riding in scenic West Virginia, it's time to come and see what you've been missing. At West Virginia ATV Tours, we provide everything, including the ride there. West Virginia ATV Tours uses only top-of-the-line Honda Rincons. They're a breeze to operate for any skill level. All you have to do is make your reservation and be ready to have some fun. Let our qualified tour guides show you why we call West Virginia wild and wonderful. Book your reservation today.
Hey, so we're out here with whitewater rafting on the New River with my buddy Rob Dobson and his company, West Virginia Adventures. We've got some guests up from Washington, D.C., and we're having a blast.
Love to meet it. It's an awesome day out here. Sunshine, tasty waves, good friends, cool people. And, hey, this is what it's about, living the dream, baby.
Starting with our $99 Lower New River special. So give us a call at 1-800-292-0880.
Hello, I'm Bob Hurricane Hanna. I'm at the Indy Trade Show in Indianapolis and in 011, and I'm here with Matrix Concepts. And for more information on our products, you can go to matrixracingproducts.com.
Hi, my name is Ulrich. I am with Quick Loader, and I'm going to show you how this new retractable tie-down works. You attach both ends. The webbing self-adjusts to your load, so you can actually go and put more boxes under the load. It'll self-adjust. The longer handle on the ratchet gives you more leverage, so it's easier to ratchet down. And now you're done. To release it again, we move the release from the front, where you pinch your fingers, to the back, where you can access it. Even if it's so cold you wear gloves, you can still access the release, open it up, unhook it, and it reels right back in. On the 3,000-pound strap, we've added a little bonus. When you don't have a proper anchor point like this one, your hooks don't fit. You can loop around the frame of a quad or any equipment that you're moving and create your own anchor points, just like this. The biggest one we have, works all the same, is a 10,000-pound, 27-footer quick loader. And for more information, please visit our website. We are at wesselindustries.com. It's W-E-S-S-E-L industries.com.
My name is Freddie Shepard, and I'm with Moto Active Industries, based out of Los Angeles, California. Probably the biggest thing for us at Indy this year is the competition of doors, and we've become the leader in that, and this is the one thing I want to talk about and show you guys. This is the Moto Active door. It's set the world on fire. It has brought the whole slam latch program to the head of the industry. We have a stainless steel plunger system that's housed in a billet mechanism. At any time you can take this apart and clean it. It's not a gate hinge and it's not a generic program. You can slam latch it. It's the only non-rattle 6-way adjustable headset. We have two substrates. We have diamond plate and we have flat metal. We can do it in line grain, candy coats, and again, it's the only true slam latch in the industry. Freddie Shepard from Indy 2011. Peace out.
Hi, my name is Tim Cotter. We're fortunate to be here because we've got some great events coming to the Mid-Atlantic region and in and out of West Virginia. The Snowshoe GNCC is coming up in June. We've got Ricky Carmichael University inside Daytona International Speedway. The Loretta Lynn AMA Motocross Championships is on the docket as well. And yes, we have Racer X Magazine. Racer X Magazine is one of the leading motorsport magazines in the United States. Goes around the world. It's the soul of the sport. Once again, from Morgantown, West Virginia, we're very proud to be Mountaineers. Today, we're very proud to be a part of the Indy Dealer Show.
This is one of the coolest products I've seen in a long time. It's called pivot pegs. The pegs actually rotate, so you have total contact on the peg in any riding position. Really cool. Let's talk to them and see what this is all about.
G'day, I'm Alan from Pivot Pegs in Australia. So basically it's a unique foot peg whereby the foot peg is allowed to pivot around the centralised shaft, and so in doing so, instead of traditionally with a static peg, whenever you put your weight back or forward, you always pull away from the teeth of the foot peg. In this particular instance, the foot peg is allowed to pivot and follow with the motion of the foot. It's not rocket science, it's not magic, but it damn well works. So if you have a look down at the bike, you've got a product that really does stand out in the crowd. We get a lot of people who just love it for the aesthetics, but then they get on the bike and they ride it and they just love it for what it does. This is our new Mark III version. It's, at the moment, as far as we know, it's the widest production foot peg in the world at 60 millimetres wide. We're looking forward to the future. We really hope we can see some good sales, and we look forward to expanding our operations in the United States. For more information, you can go to our website at www.pivotpegs.net. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Brian Buchanan. I'm with ATV Parts Plus. We're here in Indianapolis for the dealer show. Here checking out all the new product for the 2011 race series.
Hi, my name is Greg Love, and I'm with Brimstone Recreation. We have got, in promoting, over 300 miles of trails. We've got close to 20,000 acres, and we've got a great event coming up in May called the White Knuckle event. We've got David Allen Cole coming to sing. We'll probably have over 10,000 people there. We welcome you to come see us. You can visit us at www.brimstonerecreation.com.
Yes, my name is Rody Hayes, and I own a company called Easy Aim Manufacturing. We have a system designed for aiming headlights on motorcycles. We have the only system in the world that's designed to accurately aim a headlight on any motorcycle. So by a simple little process of centering up on the headlight, calibrating to the floor, we can have perfect accuracy on aiming your headlight on any motorcycle. If you'd like some more information on our product, go to www.easyaim.net.
Stick around, folks. We'll be right back with more from the 2011 Indy Dealer Expo.
Looking for more off-road action? Then click over to MotoUSA.com. You'll find comprehensive bike tests, first rides, product reviews, racing coverage, and all the videos you want to see. MotoUSA.com. Climb on.
Almost heaven, West Virginia.
The world famous Hatfield-McCoy Trail System in southern West Virginia. Come for the trails, stay for the adventure. Find the perfect trail and everything else you need at trailsheaven.com.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
West Virginia, wild and wonderful.
At Polaris, we designed a trail-dominating legend, the Sportsman XP, to lead a new team of smooth-riding trail runners. We made a versatile, powerful, mid-size Ranger, launching a new group of value-minded workhorses. And we made the ultimate hunting vehicle, the Ranger XP, even better. Heading up a new team of hard-working hunting machines. From the #1 maker of ATVs and side-by-sides, Polaris, hardest working, smoothest riding.
The real McCoy of Powersports. Hatfield-McCoy Polaris.
West Virginia ATV Tours is Southern West Virginia's premier ATV company. If you haven't experienced off-road riding in scenic West Virginia, it's time to come and see what you've been missing. At West Virginia ATV Tours, we provide everything, including the ride there. West Virginia ATV Tours uses only top-of-the-line Honda Rincons. They're a breeze to operate for any skill level. All you have to do is make your reservation and be ready to have some fun. Let our qualified tour guides show you why we call West Virginia wild and wonderful. Book your reservation today.
Looking for more off-road action? Then click over to MotoUSA.com. You'll find comprehensive bike tests, first rides, product reviews, racing coverage, and all the videos you want to see. MotoUSA.com. Climb on.
Hey, Chad Reed. Just at the Indy Expo show here in Indianapolis, hanging out with Hart at the Bellry booth.
So one of the big things we actually got going on is we have a new collaboration with Skull Candy. So with that, what we did was we actually took one of the Skull Candy designs that they're actually using on their headphones that's coming out this spring, and we're going to actually have it available in 2 different colorways.
Now, one side note, the X12 is the latest iteration of Shoei's all-new full-face helmet line. Shoei's gone through their entire helmet line, and the full-face helmets have all been updated. The X12 is the top of the line.
We got some cool new products. Some will be prototype products. This is the new Nexus Sport we're going to be launching in fall of this year. New knee brace, carbon fiber with aluminum monocoque shell. We've always been known for our under protectors. This is just the next evolution of it.
If you need more information, go to evs-sports.com.
Cobra does bolt-on accessories for Japanese American motorcycles. Exhaust systems, luggage racks, sissy bars, chrome accessories, things like that.
We have over 20 new technical products ranging from jackets, gloves, protection pieces, and footwear. One of the highlights I just want to talk about is actually our new SMX Plus road racing boot. Basically, the biggest function on this, or the biggest change I should say for development, is the multi-link system. So what this does is this really helps with absorbing torsional forces, helping prevent hyperextension, hyperflexion, really adding not only comfort but a lot of additional protection to the boot.
Hey, it's Amanda with On the Trail, and we're here with Carrie Keene at the 2011 Dealer Expo in Indianapolis, Indiana. Carrie, why don't you tell us about Off-Road Vixens?
Off-Road Vixens is a women's extreme sports clothing line. Our slogan is Girls Get Dirty Too. We've been in business for a couple of years. We have various different sizes, various styles, and it's not, big boxy t-shirts. It's, it's kind of fashion stuff that women are really going to like to wear. Whether they're going out or they're actually riding, we have something for everybody.
Wow, that's great. Your products are great, and we love your website.
And remember, girls get dirty too. Please visit our website for more information at www.offroadvixens.com.
Steve Shane from Icon Motorsports, and I'm going to talk to you about our new Striker protective gear line today. First piece to that is our Striker vest. This is something we've had in our line for many years already, and is one of our top sellers. New elbow and knee pads that we've incorporated a material called D3O. Simply described as kind of in its raw form, it's almost like a putty, and on an impact, it interlocks itself together like a fibrous type of material. So it's soft and pliable. When it takes an impact, it's hard as a rock. So newly released for this month, the new Striker vest, short and knee pad.
The VibraRide is an alert tactile device. The intention was to put a vibrating device, much like your cell phone, into the handlebar of a bike, so that when you let your turn signals on, the handles start vibrating. The whole intention was, when you're on a bike and the sun's shining on the gauges, you cannot see a light that's flashing. This was to remind people to turn the signals off.
Hi, I'm Steve Cristini. I'm founder of Cristini All-Wheel Drive Motorcycles. We're here at the Dealer Expo to show off our new production all-wheel drive motorcycles. In the past, we've done a kit to convert standard motorcycles to all-wheel drive. Here we have a Cristini 450 all-wheel drive. This is our first production 450 motorcycle with an all-wheel drive system. The drive system runs from the countershaft sprocket, where there's another welded sprocket. Chain runs up into a gearbox underneath the seat, where there's a drive shaft that runs up into the head tube with one drive gear. There's a gear on top and a gear on the bottom. They counter-rotate and go down into the triple clamp. From there, you have two shafts, two chains that go over to the shafts, and you can see the shafts spinning here, opposite directions. Those drive shafts both have a linear spline system. For the suspension activation, there's a drive shaft that telescopes on both sides while it rotates, goes down into a gearbox inside the front gearbox on the left and the right. And here we have a freewheel mechanism in the forward direction, but a drive in the rear. So as the rear wheel slips, it transfers power to the front wheel and allows the traction to be transferred to the front. That also not just transfers power to the front wheel, it keeps the rear wheel from overspinning and thus makes it a much more efficient power transfer to the bike.
Stick around, folks. We'll be right back with more from the 2011 Indianapolis Dealer Expo.
Almost heaven, West Virginia.
The world famous Hatfield-McCoy Trail System in southern West Virginia. Come for the trails, stay for the adventure. Find the perfect trail and everything else you need at trailsheaven.com.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
West Virginia, wild and wonderful.
Are you sick of your ATV bag zipper getting stuck? Then you need a structured bag with no zippers. Still using that cooler or milk crate with all those messy bungees? Now there's a better way to keep your gear dry, protected, and organized. As the leader in quality and innovation, Tamarack offers a full line of durable ATV bags and boxes. Deck out your quad with the best ATV storage accessories on the market. Give Tamarack a call at 1-800-269-6701 or visit tamarakatv.com today.
West Virginia ATV Tours is southern West Virginia's premier ATV company. If you haven't experienced off-road riding in scenic West Virginia, it's time to come and see what you've been missing. At West Virginia ATV Tours, we provide everything, including the ride there. West Virginia ATV Tours uses only top-of-the-line Honda Rincons. They're a breeze to operate for any skill level. All you have to do is make your reservation and be ready to have some fun. Let our qualified tour guides show you why we call West Virginia wild and wonderful. Book your reservation today.
Welcome to Ranger Country, where the redesigned Polaris Ranger with available electronic fuel injection outruns, outcarries, outhauls, outpulls, and outrides every utility vehicle out there. The Polaris Ranger, now with available electronic fuel injection. The hardest working, smoothest riding off-road utility vehicle you can buy.
What's up, everybody? I'm Jason Britton, hanging out at the 2011 Indianapolis Dealer Expo. Come check it out.
So I'm going to make this as least boring as possible because I know what it's like when it's completely boring. So welcome to Climb. For many of you, this is your first experience with our brand and our products, but I guarantee you it will not be your last. So we partnered with materials like Gore-Tex to deliver the best waterproof, breathable, durable materials in the world. Mark has gotten his hand wet. He's going to stick it into a glove mitt. This is an actual mitt that your gloves are made out of when you're at the Gore-Tex factory. And I'm happy to show that to everybody else. His hand's dry. Ta-da!
Lim Rachels from Lim's Auto Sales and Motorsports in Shelby, North Carolina. Up at Indiana at the Dealer Expo. We're here checking out all the latest new products. We come every year. It's lots of fun.
Mike Sullivan from Mishimoto. We are introducing some of our new patented designs. We have the X-Brace radiator, which is a pre-braced performance radiator. We have our silicone hose products, which have a heat-resistant fiber embedded into them. Radiator cap with a built-in temperature gauge. There are a number of exciting products that we've come out with and we're going to continue to come out with. Appreciate if you can check us out on the web, www.mishimoto.com. That's MISHIMOTO.com.
Hi, I'm Deanne from Baja Designs. Most of you guys know us from our dual sport kits that we've been making since 1992 and we're well famous for. We also have some other new products to talk about, which one of them is our brand new LED stealth bar. We have this in 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50-inch width, so you can have it on a motorcycle, on an ATV, or on your UTV. Also, we have another new product. For those of you who are riding at night, it's our helmet light. 700 lumens. Go to our website, check out everything else. We have all our schematics, install manuals, everything on our website, www.bajadesigns.com.
Hey, this is Mike Johnson with KTM. We're here at the Indy Trade Show, just showing off some of our 2011 model bikes. Just trying to meet the dealers and get out and visit with people as much as we can. We've got anything from motocross bikes to the adventure bikes, and one of our latest and greatest features is the RC8R. This is a full-scale road race bike. For more information on all of our models and accessories, go to ktm.com and check out all of our new models.
Hi, I'm Scott Cooper. I'm General Manager at Big Muddy Motorsports. I'd like to show you one of our units today. This is an 800cc unit, twin valve, has 55 horsepower, It runs about 65 miles an hour. Comes equipped with roof, windshield, winch. We also offer a digital readout dash display. I'd like to invite you to visit our website at www.bigmuddymotorsports.com.
Every year when I come to Indianapolis for the Dealer Expo, we come to Harry and Izzy's for lunch. Okay, we got the belly full. We're going to get back in the Expo Center and show you the new products for 2011.
Hello folks, I'm Dakota Klein with Gorilla Axle. We're here with our new Commander project. This machine has our new 5-inch Gorilla suspension lift. It also has our 4 Gorilla axles. This machine has the 32-inch Gorilla Silverback, 4,500-pound Warren winch, has the new Warren winch bumper, the new Warren HID lights, full Gorilla snorkel kit. Also has the new HMF dual exhaust. For any information about Gorilla Axle, go to www.gorillaaxle.com.
Hi everybody, my name is Richard Kenton. I'm with Zero Motorcycles. This is the 2011 Zero Motorcycles lineup. I'm going to start with the Zero S. There's significant changes this year to the Zero Motorcycle street bike. We've lowered the suspension by 2 inches. We've added 12% more battery capacity. We've upgraded the brakes, revalved the suspension, and then now comes a silent belt drive. The dash has been implementing a new algorithm that will learn with the rider, so it delivers a better assessment of how much power you have left. This is the 2011 Zero MX. The new updates for 2011 were adjusted suspension internals, a larger front disc brake, a new disc caliper, new ignition system, new dash box. The motor is from the Zero S. It's now air-cooled and carries 30% more power. We've gone to Pro Wheel wheels, new rear brakes. The bike's significantly changed. We now have a remote reservoir rear shock. Its range is about 35 to 45 minutes on a motocross track, ridden very hard, and then anywhere between an hour and a half and 2 hours on the trails. This is the 2011 DS. This was a very good seller for us last year. Again, it's very similar to the S model, except it has 2 inches higher suspension and dual-purpose tires. It reaches a top speed of 70 miles an hour and has a potential range of 58 miles. This is a great new electric vehicle for dual sport owners. It's a wonderful way to go out and see the wildlife. It is trail worthy. It's not quite a motocross bike that we offer in our MX line, but many of the dual sport owners enjoy taking green trails on this bike, and it's certainly capable of doing so. For more information on our product line, please visit www.zeromotorcycles.com.
I hope you enjoyed all the new and exciting products at the International Dealer Expo in Indianapolis, Indiana, as much as we did. Be sure and tune in next week and see where the trail takes us next. My name's Steven Anderson, and we'll catch you next time on the trail.